Yes.
Okay. So these are the total amount of programs which we have done. Okay. Now, so actually see, now the main thing is we cannot do API automation here. We don't have any website, but we got a solution. If anyone here don't know about what are 80 APIs, have everyone worked on Postman and all these things. Okay. So everyone knows what is as APIs and how we do the posting on it. Okay. So let's start. So see, I have a site. So I go over here. So I go to C drive. Okay. So I have created a JSON folder. And this I have a file known as student.json. This is my file. Got it? I am giving you in the group. It's 8 a.m. Okay. So now create a folder, a JSON folder, fine, and there put this file. Okay. Now everything which comes on any website, everything which comes, go to a command prompt on this JSON folder only. See, everything which come on this website, okay, if basically comes from JSON. Okay. Everything which comes on the website is comes with the JSON. Fine. So I need to start the JSON server. I need to start the JSON server. Okay. I need to start the JSON server. So how we start the JSON server? So see, this is my thing. Okay. I'm over here. I'm admitting her, but she Priyanka is fine. But Soumya, I am trying to admit. See, I want to start this JSON server. Okay, I want to start the JSON server for our API automations. Fine, our file is this student.js. So every data which comes on your website comes from JSON only. Okay, with different API calls. So first thing I need to do, I need to start the JSON server. So how I basically start the JSON server? Anyone know? Anyone?
We'll we'll choose one particular the port on that we will set the JSON server. So we can share send the request from Postman or now we can use
So see,
TypeScript. Yeah.
okay. You just give the command over here npx. You just give the command npx JSON server student. I want to start for student. I want to start JSON server for student file. Okay, so I enter here. See, I hope all of you know about this. What is this? This is the endpoint of now JSON server has started. See, guys, I am automating APIs. Okay, we cannot get the data from, and no site will allow me to fetch its data from APIs. So I have created my own JSON file, student.json. Guys, you are joining late. That's why things I am repeating again. So I have created a file. Okay, this JSON file, fine. So it has ID, student name. So for that, we need to start JSON server at our end. We need to start JSON server at our end. So go to this command prompt, create a folder in the group. I have given the file, create a folder, put that file under that. So I have put it that file under that student.json. Do one thing. First of all, create the folder. Okay, put that file under that student.json. And after that, go to command prompt of that place and give this command npx json server student.json. Everyone. Started now. Now see, I need to check whether it is started or not. So just copy this endpoint is the our student file name endpoint where I have to put the things get, post, put and delete. Hope everyone knows this. I go over here and give. See, I am getting all the data because JSON server started. Now, now we need to do our everything in this. First request which I am going to perform is the GET request. The basic request, that is the GET request. Okay, everyone please start it and check it at your Postman if it is running fine or not. Let's start. So I go over here, create GET request dot import test comma request from playwright. Okay. So here I am importing this request also. Why? Because this request is used in APIs. See, in Selenium, you have to specially import the JSON and all these things. Here it has all the inbuilt libraries for it. Okay. So let me start the request. The first variable I create is the this base URL. Okay. And if I get any student information, I want to get any student information. So see, I will give this is my base URL. Here. Right. So and our response will be Give the base URL. Okay. So see, now response will have my get request. So I've given a get request over here. Okay. With student. Now this response should have the get request. So let me just print for you. If I get the data, if you see it past, okay. So it gave me see 200 okay. Okay. It gave me 200 okay and it finds the all the headers, all the information I'm getting. I'm not getting the data currently. For data, I need to get the JSON. Data comes in JSON. Okay. So I got it 200 okay. Try it. Everyone please try. Is it running at your end? Just try it.
Abhinav, can you once show that command you ran through the terminal to run the JSON? Okay, okay, thank you.
Or just try it out. Okay. So I am getting the request output as you can see. Uh, what do you call 200. Okay, it should be okay. So I can verify this thing also. So I have given the response. Now, now await. I want to check the response. Expect response. Okay. Dot to be okay. Okay. It will verify is it okay or not. Next, I want to see the status. Status is 200 or not. Okay. For the GET request, if it is successful, remember the status is always 200. Expect response dot status dot to be 200. Fine. And now I will try to get the data in JSON. So how can I const student list await response in JSON. Fine. Now let me print this. See, JSON is will not be a proper systematic data, but you will see the data. Okay, so if I print it out, I will be printing in systematic form also. Console.log. I am not running in this because this I am will be taking easily. You know, save it. Now if I give Control C, so it ran and showed me all the data. It is not a systematic see how the data is coming. I will show you a systematic form. I am giving you 2 minutes, write it out, check is it working. Now, now what I see. So see, this is not a correct format I was saying. So you can signify the format. So there is a command for it. So I go over here and get JSON dot signify student list, comma, null. This is a fixed command. If you give this like this, okay, it will give a proper format for it. Okay, if I save it now, now if I run it, You can see it is printing in a good format. Now suppose I want to get a particular student data. I want to get a particular student data. Suppose I want to take this Amit Kumar, F65F. Okay. So I go over here and give const target student ID is equal to this, right? And I give, now let's give a get request. Okay. So const const response one await request dot get. I will take the things like this only from the get request. Same will be there. Now just I need to give the student ID also. Just go over here, give the student slash. Okay. Now its response should also be okay. Its response should be also okay. And because I am getting now single request, if you do the single request also, then it should be get, then it should also be okay, fine. So response one should be okay, and response should be okay. And I can same way I can get its JSON also. Same way I can get its JSON also. Student list, student detail, response one dot JSON, because response is coming in now, single student response is coming now. I can, I want to print it out. Let me print in a good manner. Okay. So let me print the complete data. I can print in this way also. Just the way which we have printed here. I can, this is the single data. Now I am taking over a particular data. So I can print it like that, but I want to print in a good format. Okay, so how can I print it? Console dot log ID column dollar, so student details dot, in that I will take the ID, right? ID is there. In the same, I will take the ID. In the same way, from the student details, I can take the name also. See, name is there. I can print the name. I have the age also. In the same way, I can take the age also from the student details. I take the age also. I am having grade also. Same way from the student details, I can print the grade also. I have last is I have subjects also. So the same way I can print the subjects. So if I run it, I should get only one student data, that is Amit Kumar, and it should get printed. See if I check it out, why it is showing me undefined, I have to look into it. See, it is showing me undefined. I have done some mistake, maybe. So, okay, I took this F65 fine, target student ID is fine, to be okay. See, it should have shown me error if it is wrong. Means it got some data to be okay. First thing is that it will be to be okay is fine. Okay. Then to be 200, that is fine. Student details await response one. My server is running. This is my file. App ID is F65F. Okay. F65F. Student ID. Target student ID. Okay. Const response one. Await. Request dot. Base URL. Students. Target student ID. This is fine. Okay. 200. Student details. Dot response. What is showing? Just let me check it out. Mhm. Now just I don't know why it is not showing data. Why it is showing undefined. Problem is ID for display dollar student details dot ID create subject. Let me run again. I will try with different student. Let me check it. It's showing me undefined. Okay. If I try to take this data, let's check it out. URL also. Sometimes it happens. Oh, I give you. It is giving data here. This is mine. It's giving means it is working. Let me print response over here first of all. Let me check it out whether it is working fine here or not. Then after that I will fetch. By like this. We got the data. Amit Kumar. It is fine till here. Just a second. Now the issue is here. We are good. No issues. We are good till now. Okay. There is some fetching issue. Fetching is fine. Is some variable related to I will check it out. Just wait. Okay. If you see fetch data, Amit Kumar is coming. So we still here. We are good. The issue is coming here. Console.log slash ID student stvat details dot ID. Anything you find weird over here? Anyone? Oh, that is what I mean. Anything you find weird over here? That is showing undefined. Name undefined. Age. See, ID it is getting name undefined dot name dot age. Mhm. Why? Why it is showing me this thing? This thing. And Here our name is small only. Okay. Here our name is small only. Fine. And why it is showing me? Okay. First time I'm facing this issue in this thing. First time. Anyone can see any period. Oh, see, it could have not got this ID also. And the issues there. Is something. Okay. Uh, no, 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 no. Sorry. But it is working fine over here. Okay, so ID Amit Kumar, ID is fine. Almost.
Abhinav,
Mm-hmm.
um, for the path we have given only till the ID, right? We need to get into that students. So are
This one,
we,
this one.
yeah,
No, no,
after
I am
that,
fetching
if
for this
we have,
particular. Yes, yes, tell.
yeah, after that, we have how are we reaching to that students? Then the details we have, we directly don't
See,
have the ID, right?
no, no, no. See, we got this student details from this. I fetched in the student JSON one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the response one. So now I am extracting that response one. Okay, from that response one, I got this Amit 011 and so it is showing me here.
Correct. Yeah.
Till now, it is student is not. Now the problem is coming. I need to get a details. Why it is not showing me? Problem is this.
Yeah, because the students' details
Hmm.
has the path until the ID, right? For the ID. I mean,
Yeah, so that is we need a particular ID only.
now we want the students' details. So below
I
that
am
ID,
extracting the details.
yeah,
I have already extracted it. Now I want to show you in a correct one more format. I have already extracted it. See, it is showing me it, right?
yeah, yeah, correct.
Yeah, now I want to show you say name, student name is equal to say what is the name, Amit, age. Why it is not showing like this? My question is coming to me like this. Okay.
Mm.
Uh, just a second, let me check. One, give me one moment. I'll show you. Okay. Just a moment. I need to have to check. Just a minute. It's showing me for another also. I have tried it on the another machine also. It is showing me undefined. If I take some other record, let me check with some other record. Might be the issue with the record. It should not be. If I take so IDS2. If I say suppose take IDS2. IDS2. Okay, I am taking IDS2. Now I am trying to run. It is showing for me this. I don't know what happened. What is happening with that ID? Okay, see guys, it is working fine. Okay, I took the ID with two. I don't know what is that issue with this record. Might be deleted. Might be. Let me check with this E2BC. Let me check with E2BC. Okay, Control S, Control C. With these E2BC, these records, it is showing me error. Like I found it with these type of keys. If I say ID, say some simple ID is not there. It works from ID2. Okay, if I take ID1, okay, let me take ID1. Okay, if it is working, then we will work with this ID1 only. It might be some special characters issue should be there, might be there. So if I go with this, it is working fine. John K and okay. So what's the thing? It might be some special character things. That's why it is not able to get the mixture of values. If I'm working with the simple IDs, it is getting me the value. Okay. So it happens sometime, but I don't know. I will check it out also why it is happening. It should not happen. But for now, did you get the idea of it? Anyone has any issues in it? Anyone? Till now, see, here I have extracted the full data. After that, I got the first target. I passed this target over here. Okay. So if you try it out with first ID, if you go with one, it is giving me John K. Okay. So I got this response. It is okay. I got this JSON response in student details. Now I am trying to print the student details. See, it is printing me student details here. Now I am trying to extract these details and print it out. Okay. So I extract and try to print it out. So it is in a proper way. So it is showing me ID1, name John, age 18, grade and subject as passed. Anyone had any issues in it? Please let me know. Anyone? Hello. Is it fine more everyone? Soumya,
Yeah, yeah, Abhinav.
Vijayalakshmi, Anusha. Anusha,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there?
Yes, yes,
Is it fine for you?
yes.
Vijayalakshmi, Aditya?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, it's
Yes, sir.
fine.
Looks fine.
Okay, write it out. So I will check it out why it is not taking me. Suppose I take ID, one more ID, C9E, mixing of this. Might be some issues there. I will have to check it out. Because I'm facing this issue first time. See, it worked for this also. C9E, it worked. Okay. It is working, but let I have to see. It might be some IDs which are generated automatically or might be the case. Okay, please write it down. The GET request. Okay, everyone. So next three request I will do tomorrow because try to cope with this. Okay. Try to understand these requests, or should I do it today? One more request. Hello.
This much is fine, Abhay.
Okay, fine. We'll do tomorrow the next request. Three requests are correct. Fine. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay. I
Yeah,
will give you
thank
this
you.
program.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
कोई तो मतलब पूछ सकते हैं। कौन? साढ़े चार किराएदार आगे मैंने खाली करेगा ये वाला। हाँ, तो ये आता है। दो चार दिन मैं भी होगा खाली करने से पहले बोलता हूँ दो एक दिन में बात करते हैं। दो एक दिन लगे वो तब तो प्रोटेक्ट हो गए सेपरेट हो ईमेल जो है मैंने खाली करेगा। हाँ तो ठीक है। हाँ ये था तो यार पंडित जी सुबह ही होगा हमारे दर्शन सुबह और पंडित जी होते हैं। आज तो बैठ भी जाऊँ वहाँ पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। फिर भी बैठ कोई खाली होगा तो बैठ लो आराम से। हाँ हाँ इसका फ्री हो एक घंटा का जितना सोने मिल जाएगा। काम लगे एक घंटा तो नहीं लाते। अगर मिल जाए मौका मिल जाए तो चल जाए मिल जाए तो नहीं नहीं यार जाना भी हो जाए मंदिर तो जाए वो कोई कंपलसरी तो है नहीं कि लगाएगा। साढ़े नौ बजे पर चाय बनाएगी लेकिन चाय बहुत ही ज्यादा आती है तो उसकी लड़की तो ग्रेजुएट हुई होगी अब तो या वीडियो है तो हम लोग ने की छोरी ने गाना बनाया है सामने वाले की लड़कियां मनी शर्मा है ना सामने लड़का रहता है यार उसने मेरे पता नहीं साइड सूफी 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 साइड और आया है उसका गाना तो मेरा तो चल ही नहीं रहा तो हाँ नाटक करेंगे जयपुर में रह गया है जयपुर में रह गया है अरे चलो भी कितने साल में चाहे लोग ना शिवा की तरफ है ठीक है खाने तो मंगा लो प्लेट के मुझे 2 दिन बाद फ्रेश चलता है पार्टी तो तुम्हारे कब लग गया पार्टी से रोड तो आई ना हमें एक कप चाय पीना तो चाय देखिए इसकी चाय हेलो भैया आज से 2.5 किलो दूध कर दो 2.5 किलो दूध कर देना आज से 1 किलो मिला का तो कौन देगा मिला तो मना कर सकते हैं 1.5 किलो 2.5 किलो होता है हिसाब से करता हूँ पूरे पैसे दीजिएगा मैं कितना दूंगा अब ये हमारा गाइड को यूज करते हैं गाइड तो पूरे इतना मुझे इस पे टाइप वर्ड है कैसे देखोगे पर ये बात इन लोग से आएगा दिन में स्कूल से आएगा और तो टोटल 6 दिन की बात है सितंबर में मम्मी आ जाएंगे सितंबर में आएंगे ना तो जाओ उनकी जरूरत तो हाँ तो बात वो आ जाएगा तो बैंगलोर तुम्हारे साथ लेंगे टिकट है ना उसका बैंगलोर शायद इलाहाबाद से जाएंगी ट्रेन का है टिकट उसका और वापसी में महंगा रहेंगे दिन की बात है एक दिन की बात नहीं है हाँ एक दिन का हम लोग देखा है तो वो है वो ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट यही हेलो 4,500 भेज रहा हूँ उसको भेज दे तो है वो बहुत जल्दी तेरे पास बोले ओ भाई मेरा वो है भाई था यार 4:30 तो बात करेगा उसको लेके गया अपनी मुझसे करा कर रहे हो बात दिन खराब मतलब बोल दिया इसको खराब होगा कार की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी हो गया तेरी से अपने लेके से बैठ ना ऑर्डर मिल जाता है कैसे मिलेगा क्या मिलेगा 3 बार हो गया बीच में भी तो हो गई पैटर्न करके पनीर तो 2 ही तो बार हुई तो मेरे को भेजा आज 2000 कर दो बोलते मुझे भी 2000 से अलग किया कल 2 कर दूंगी और परसों 5 कर दूंगी फोन दे दो तो आज से तो मम्मा को ट्रांसफर कर दी इसके तो 2.5 लाख चार है क्या रात का मुझे अरे यार वो ये चला दे ये खाली भूख तो भी पकड़ो की बात सही ना हमारे ठीक है वो यार भारी काम आज पहले तो शाम को यही बनवाना कि पढ़ने कल बनाया था थोड़ी सी बता दी होंगे और ये जो उसने बनाया था ना कैसा कुछ वो भी है एक ही बनाना है और क्या करें तो यही है तो एयर फ्रायर कर सकते हैं एयर फ्रायर में करेंगे वो भी चीज लेंगे तो फिर बस क्या करते हैं कार्ड पे डाल दिया रहता है अपने सिंपल जो रोज डेली बनाते हैं ऐड ऐसे बाहर इसके आगे तो सिक्का पड़ता है पर वो ऊपर नॉर्मल एक्टिव बोल हो गया ना तो बट ऊपर से वो एयर फ्रायर ले लो और थोड़ा सा ऊपर से वो डाल दो और वो डाल दो तो यही करेंगे आज यही करेंगे ये लाइटिंग कर लाइट कर दो लाइटिंग ऊपर प्रेस करो कि डाल हाँ यही है
Yeah.